Install skills add life to your wrap. We're often asked whether wrapping a vehicle is easy. The honest answer is yes, but only if you know how. There are many factors during installation that directly affect the lifespan of a wrap, starting with thorough cleaning and preparation of the surface. A properly cleaned vehicle gives the wrap the best possible chance to bond correctly. Dirt, grease, road grime, and silicone-based polishes will all compromise adhesion if they aren't completely removed. That's why professional installers use specialized products for both pre-cleaning and final surface preparation to eliminate all contaminants. Installation itself requires a high level of skill, particularly when working around curves and contours and when using heat to stretch and apply the film. Too much heat or stretch can separate the adhesive from the film, leading to premature failure. Creases, poor technique, or insufficient application pressure can allow dirt and grit to work their way under the wrap, causing lifting, peeling, or complete failure. Once the wrap is installed, the job isn't finished. Any stretched area must be post-heated to a specific temperature to reset the film to its new shape. If this step is skipped or done incorrectly, the wrap can begin lifting or popping off within weeks. At Tradie Wraps, we meticulously follow every step required to install wraps that are built to last for the long term, not just to look good on day one.